Hey everyone, welcome to day 8. It is Wednesday night and you're going to hear like clothes drying in the background and you hear the dishwasher. We're doing life here. One of the things that I have enjoyed and both enjoyed and not enjoyed about going live is the fact that you see all the good, the bad, and the ugly. So I really think that it's important for you guys to see that sometimes even people who work on stuff and do the same thing over and over again make mistakes. And the cool thing about chalkature is they can be easily remedied. But I think it's important to show you the real-time effects of what it is we're working on. So tonight we're going to be working on a transfer. It's a geodog. And it's going to end up saying, be the person your dog thinks that you are. I got this, folks ask all the time, you know, what kind of surfaces that I chalk on. I chalk on just about anything I can find. This happens to be something that I bought at Target at the dollar spot when they had their clearance a couple of weeks ago. So I think I paid like about $50 for this little chalkboard, and it's got a stand. It just looks like it's a little MDF, so nothing very expensive. Likewise, nothing super sturdy either, but a cute little quick gift or project to make. So we're going to start out with this geodog. Excuse me. And I'm going to just go ahead and make sure that my transfer is in place the way I want it. Looks like it's got some old chalk on it. Sorry, I got a little bit of a frog in my throat. All right, so I'm going to put some white down, and then I'm going to squeegee that on all over my dog. And I'm going to squeegee off to where I can see the design really well. I'm going to take that paste and put it right back into the container so I can reuse it. So I'm not wasting anything. It's one of the things I love about it. Then I'm going to peel off the transfer. Look at that, the clarity on that design. It looks really great. Very, very nice. That was quick. So I'm going to just hit this with a blow dryer for a minute because I'm going to put a thing on the top and the bottom. But because this frame is small, I'm going to kind of have to squish them into each other. And the transfer might overlap a little bit onto my dog, and I just want to make sure that the stickiness of the transfer doesn't pull up that paste that hasn't yet dried. So I'm just going to hit it real quick with a blow dryer on sort of just like a cool setting.